You good? Hold on. me. Ooh, yeah. That wasn't really good. That was it. Hold on.
These ring lights y'all be getting, man, be blind.
Yeah, it's a little
blind.
Especially because it's on top of me right now. Okay, hold on.
Some sunglasses. See how people wear shades inside now. Jesus.
Me. Ooh, yeah. That was better. Let's go ahead and go, baby. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Sandy.
Hey, it's your boy, Juice. What's going on, y'all?
And hey, y'all, we are here because we have a tiny, little, easy-weensy little bit of an announcement to make. Something that we've been wanting to share with you guys forever and ever and ever, but we have not been able to do so as of yet until now.
So we just wanted to pop in and let you guys know the exciting news that's going on.
Hold on, we gotta do the drum roll, baby.
Well, hey, let's get it.
Let me get the drum roll, ready?
I used to play drums back in the day too, but I ain't got my sticks. Yeah. So,
ready?
Improvise.
1, 2, 3. Alright, the news is... your girl and your boy are actually gonna be on TV, y'all! Yeah! I don't know what y'all thought this announcement was, and if y'all clicked on a video thinking a bitch was pregnant. No! Look!
Wrong announcement.
Yeah! Okay? Y'all just wishing stuff on my womb, my vajayjay. I'm gonna need y'all to let my vajayjay have a time to marinate. Can we be 2 years in before we do this? I'm just saying. Anyway, y'all.
About 3 or 4.
Hey, it's okay?
5 or 6.
It's okay? Just let my vajayjay rest. Look! Y'all, we're gonna be on television, and we've been wanting to tell you guys this for the longest time, and the reason why we have not is because we hadn't really gotten official permission from the network to let you guys know and confirm all that you guys have been asking, because to be completely real, the promos for this particular television show has been going on, I mean, literally for months. The show actually began, or started to air the season. It's a pilot season. Started in January, so you guys have been seeing these promos and have been tweeting me and commenting on YouTube and on my Instagram and on Facebook, and I'll be at Starbucks and somebody will stop me and say, we on a television show, we got family members asking and stuff.
Texting me saying, hey, weren't you on a program or something? Like,
yeah!
That's coming up, but yeah, you're on the right track.
You're on the right track, but we really couldn't say anything to anyone because we hadn't received permission from the network to actually officially confirm that we were going to be on the show.
Until now.
Yes, now we can confirm that all the promos you guys saw, me and my blue hair and my little pregnancy test, are true, and we are actually going to be on a show called Expecting.
Expecting, yeah.
Yes.
Which will air on the Up TV network at 9 Eastern Standard Time.
On Friday, April 6th. So you guys are probably watching this video right now on Thursday, and I apologize. It is 24 to 40. There is a real reason for the fact that we are just now coming out with this now.
Week, y'all, so.
It has been a very, very long week. If you guys want to know what's been going on, then go to the vlog channel. I don't know if you guys are watching this on the Socialite Life or the Socialite Life TV. If you guys are watching this on the vlog channel, stay here. You guys will hear about it if you guys haven't heard about it yet. If you guys are watching on the Socialite Life, go to the vlog channel if you guys want to know what's been going on that's caused the delay in us being able to even come on camera together here now, to let you guys know that we are going to be on TV. So basically the show Expecting is a new show that basically is going to document or showcase our twin pregnancy journey. And it's going to show it in a very small capsulated form. And we have not seen the show, so we have no idea how they're going to present it.
Boy.
So we're going to be watching it right along with you guys, right?
Yeah. So we're going to be finding out for the first time, whatever you guys see on TV, we'll be seeing actually for the first
way
time,
they put it together.
They edit and put it all together and tell our story of our journey to the twins.
Yes.
So make sure y'all tune in, check it out, and let a friend, family member.
Yes, make sure to set your DVR if you're not going to be home. It's going to be on the Up TV network. A lot of people aren't really familiar with Up. We personally were not familiar with Up until this happened, right? But it is the Up TV network, and you can actually go on your guide on if you have, I don't know, Charter or whatever, Comcast. I don't know what's out there.
Make sure you check your local cable listings to find out exactly what channel Up TV network is on. Because as you know,
it changes in every state.
To state.
Right. But it's 9 p.m., okay, Eastern Standard Time. So that's 8 p.m. Central Time for those of you guys that are in the Midwest, that are in our time zone, okay? I think it is 8 p.m. Central. Either way, if you set your DVR or you check your DVR, it will show exactly when it comes on. We are actually the premiere episode, or we're being featured as part of the premiere episode for part 2 of this pilot season, right? And yeah, so you guys will be able to kind of see how they present our pregnancy journey, our twin pregnancy journey, and all that is in between. Lord only knows how this is going to go. But yeah, make sure you guys spread the word. Make sure you guys DVR, comment down below, and let me know if you guys actually saw the promos before we came out with this video, because so many of you guys hit me up saying that you guys saw the promo everywhere on every bit of my social media. So comment down below if you happen to know that we were going to be on this show before we came on here and shared it with you guys. And comment down below and let us know if you guys are going to be watching, or if you guys had already set your DVR to tape the show once you saw the promo, even before we had confirmed that we were going to be on the show, okay? Another thing I should let you guys know is that we are going to be on Facebook Live after the show. I guess directly after, if all technical things happen as they should. So yeah, he don't forgot. But yeah, we will be on Facebook Live directly after the show. I don't exactly know what we're supposed to be doing with that, but either way, we will be on Facebook Live right after the show. So if you guys want to chime in and come on over there and say what's up to us live right after the show, just hit me up on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is down below in the description box down below. Or it's probably going to be also on the Up TV Network's Facebook page. I'm assuming they have a fan page.
We got to figure all those details out. So
just know we're going to be on Facebook Live.
We got 24 hours to do that. So make sure y'all tune in.
Yes.
You guys enjoy everything.
Yes.
And just sit back.
Thumbs up this video.
Sit back, relax.
For your boy and your girl being on the tube. And not the YouTube, the TV tube.
Right. We hope you guys enjoy the journey. And like I said, it's going to be our first time seeing everything edited and sliced together.
By somebody else. Not by us.
Hopefully it works out. Tune in, check it out. And
9 Eastern Standard Time, Friday, April 6th. So you guys may be watching this on Thursday. That would mean tomorrow, okay? April 6th. Go to the vlog channel if you guys want to see the rest of the journey, if you guys haven't subscribed there. And basically the two beings that actually came from this show that you're about to see on Friday, they sound like they fighting. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to let y'all go, okay? Yeah. Go check it out tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let us know what you guys think. And we love y'all, and we will see y'all in the next video.
Y'all check it out,
and maybe on Facebook Live.
Peace.
Bye.